Yo, you know that kid, that sound exactly like a police car? Well, I'm in Ultimate Driving in Roblox, okay? And then, just tell me if this sounds like it. Wait, no. Why isn't it working? This is... Yo, I'm not even pressing nothing. See? It's barely working. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What am I doing wrong? I gotta turn off my lights, probably. See, no, what just happened? Okay. Tell me that sounds like it. Tell me. Tell me. Oh my god, this will not work. Maybe I have to be in my bed. I did not want to turn on the lights, thank you very much. Okay. I'm gonna stand this up on myself. Tell me it doesn't sound like that. Does it sound like it? Yes, it does. It sounds like that exact little boy. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you haven't been on YouTube or TikTok ever.